Thank you for buying this cabinet pull knob from Fixture Displays. The measurement is about 1.1 by 1.1 inches and the height is 0.98 or a little shy of 1 inch. The base is about 0.8 inches square and work with M4 screws. The finish is a nice satin nickel finish, really high-end looking. If you need a different length screw because your board is of a different thickness, you can purchase those on fixturedisplays.com. Just put in M4 screws, they'll give you a different length that is available. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. This knob is made from casted alloy, zinc alloy, and weighs about 0.12 pounds. If you have a custom requirement, we love the opportunity to manufacture for you. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.